there, just doing a spot of tidying up. Because I've got a very important guest coming today. And here you are. And just for you, this is what I've lined up. How about an explosive new way of framing your pictures? And Danika's picture could almost be one of those graphic film posters. The bold colours and shapes work brilliantly. I bet you went dotty sticking all those sequins down though. Yeah, fantastic art attack there from Danika. And you know what? All those sequins and dots have given me a great idea for an art attack. A really funky way to mount a picture that you don't want to put in a frame. Look at that. It looks all dotty, crazy and manic, doesn't it? It's a sort of manic mount. Now, to make one, all you basically need is your picture and some bits of cardboard box card, and stick whatever you want to frame, whether it's a photo or magazine picture, onto your card. Then you need to make a sort of explosion. Just draw an explosion around the main part of your picture, and when you're happy with the shape of it, cut it out, and then you need to use thick black pen to outline those edges. Next, you need to cut out 3 more cardboard box explosions, each one a bit bigger than the one before. And at this stage, it's a good idea to arrange them on top of each other to see how they look. Photo on top, next biggest, and the biggest at the back. Next, paint these card explosions. Now, comic colours work really well. How about a dotty one, a yellow one, and maybe a red one? Again, it's a good idea to use a black marker to outline the explosions. To assemble the Manic mount so that there is a gap between each layer, you need to make 3 card blocks. Each is made up of 2 square bits of card stuck together. Stick one of these blocks to the centre of the largest explosion, dab a blob of glue on top, and then carefully place the slightly smaller explosion on the top. It's a good idea to slightly offset your explosion so that all the different points can be seen clearly. Then continue by placing a block, then an explosion, a block, then an explosion with your photo explosion on top, and when they're in position, glue them firmly into place. Great, isn't it? And those dots really set off the picture on the Manic mount. And if you put some string on the back, you can hang them up and you can try lots of different designs. How about a glittery one? She's a glitter gran. Or instead of explosion shapes, how's about splats? A splat attack. Try it yourself, a Manic mount, and don't forget you can check out the website for fact sheets on this and all the other art attacks in the show. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra.